We are pleased to show you the 2024 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, remote trunk release, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.